macaroni cheese because this afternoon has literally just been one, honestly. Like that, you remember I told you I brought Tommy a building dome and with a slide. Don't ever try putting that together on your own. I mean, I did have help after, and that still took ages, like to the point where it was fucking cold and getting dark out there. My back is killing. This is empty anyway, so yes I am. And this is all I've got, the jalapeno. Oh my god, I just put some sauce in there. Oh, that's all right. Honestly, it was absolutely awful. I mean, it started off nice, went to the park, met some friends, kids played, had a good time. Oh, that was so nice. Oh, don't go for the second one. Fucking hell, don't go for the second one. Anyway, macaroni cheese. Bit of jalapenos. But, do you know what I thought? I'm going to put some rice in. I don't know, because my mouth's burning now from that jalapeno juice. Let's just put a little bit in, do you know what I mean? That little bit. I don't know, mix it round. Anyway, what have you done today? It's been really nice here, but I heard in the weather that it's supposed to go down to 4 in some place on Wednesday. There's me thinking the fucking summer's getting summer ready just for it to be shit. It's fine, because I would have had to do it anyway. Anyway, what did you eat for dinner? And if you haven't had something, have something. Something's better than nothing. Honestly, guys, I am absolutely shattered. There's a crack in my screen protector right there. I can see it, so that's great. My new phone. Thank fuck I put a screen protector on. This is me tonight. This is actually really good. I wish I had Doritos to put on top. Oh shit, that went on my spoon. No, I didn't make this myself, in case anyone asked. I just couldn't be bothered. And then I remembered that my mum brought me one. What did I actually do about my mum? Like, literally. Anyway, Monday tomorrow, then next week, and then one more week, and then the kids are off for 2 weeks, so I'm looking forward to it. As long as I keep Tommy busy, and it's fine. She's not a problem. Well, within reason. But as long as I keep Tommy occupied, I just love the holidays because no school runs, coffee in the bed, chill. Oh, it's nice. I mean, I might change my mind when it's actually time. No, I won't. Hopefully it'll be really nice weather. Is that Ali coming down? Anyway, guys, that's me. I'm going to go and veg on the sofa because literally I am done. No more today. Honestly, that dome, I'm not joking you. If anyone's ever built one of those climbing domes, or if you haven't, be prepared, okay? Ball ache. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, have a good evening.